Okay, we start off at the local car wash. Of course, I got the car washed about a day ago, but then it rained, so now that's going through here. Oh, I always like the lights. Like Willy Wonka vibes. We're singing a creepy song going down the tunnel and everything's spinning out of control. Seeing all the supposed villains. What's next? What is that? That is hot wax. On blowers. There they are. They're ready to do their job. Tire Shine and Rain-X. I think I paid 20 bucks a month for this, so not too bad. I'm sure these people are sick of seeing me. And yes, I have gone through here twice in one day. Ah, there goes the Tire Shine. Good old blowers. There's a lot of those. And yes, we are cruising with no brakes. I wonder how many people break that rule. There's the final say so when you're allowed to leave. Can't go until it says go. All done with the car wash. This place behind me, I forgot what it was. It's some historical place, but they never let anybody in there. So I was driving by and I noticed that they have some Halloween stuff up, but yet nobody's ever allowed to go inside. So let me show you what I saw as I went by. And then this place called The Wreck, suitably named. Look at that. I walked by that place first and it had a sign on the door that said, enter at your own risk. So I guess the ceiling is known to fall down. Appropriately named. So on a dark and gloomy Sunday, look up here. We got something swinging. A witch over here. It almost looks, well, Victorian style, but like a Thai temple. There's chains with, let me see, hands hanging from there. All right, I'm gonna walk across. Here's a little courtyard with the fountain all lit up. A lot of decorating went into this for some place that doesn't want people around. Up here, some more hands hanging from the chains, but look at this old Victorian stained glass. All right. The chimes. Okay. It says this way. This little girl. So creepy. The doll. And this one too, that won't stop moving. Swinging back and forth. I wonder if they light this place up for night, or at night. Another one. If they just do this for their own fun, that's pretty crazy. I am on camera. Look at that. They really don't want people around here, but it looks like they enjoy decorating. Keep out. No trespassing. They even have lights, like the flickering lights inside. I love it. The welcome sign. And then, as I step back, look at the front of this place. So I wonder if they do a haunted house here. There's absolutely no information. whatsoever. Yeah, restricted areas up all year long. Look at this. A little baby skeleton all locked up in his cage, wearing his prison outfit. And inside, see the flickering lights. Star. This is called the Crescent Bathhouse, National Register of Historic Places by the United States, built in 1887. I believe this thing is here all year long. What the heck? For a place that doesn't want anybody around, I just don't get it. The other thing I always notice is there's always cars here. Got a gargoyle up here on this corner. I didn't expect filming this or even stopping by here today. I was just doing errands, but I hear the cameras, they have like a little, that, I don't know if you heard that, but I'm sure you did. I guess it's just to let you know that you're being watched or filmed. Large spider up there. A rat. I don't get it. You know, for somebody that doesn't want anybody here ever, they'd go to this length to decorate. And this place is never opened. But they did go all out for Halloween. With that ghoul up there. And then this witch. So, it's very haunting. They really should do something with this and actually open it up. They even went to the effort of putting the lights in, the flickering lights. Yeah. Walk back this way real quick. It's like an evil mini-me of sorts. Yes, I know. That lets you know. That's what keeps going off on the camera. All right. Make my way out of here. Great job, you know. E for effort, that's for sure. What is in that window? There is something up there. I just can't make out what it is, but this is the back of the bathhouse now. Look at that, the old water tank is still up there. I don't know how many years that's been there for, but that is still relevant. 1887. Got those strange stars. It's old brickwork too. This is really something. And of course, graffiti. Yeah, just was stopping by. Thought I'd take a look. Something caught my eye and just wanted to share it. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Just drove by this too, and this is the glass inlaid City of Lake Elsinore sign from 1888. Very intricate. Those are, oh, they're stones, and then the middle's glass, but just like Celebration, they too have a clock. They don't have a dog chasing a bike. They do have a clock. They're really trying to revamp this area, which is nice because I guess they know it's close enough to Southern California and Temecula area where there's probably a lot of money to be had here. So a lot of these buildings are getting restored, which is kind of cool. And there I am. Thanks for watching. Just noticed this, they have the stadium sign with the old like kiosk lights. That is pretty awesome. I wish that was on. Like walking down this. Yes, your truck is annoying. Walking down this way, I did notice it is time for Halloween. And he is ready at the Main Street Kitchen and Tap. This ghoul, beware, you've been warned.